Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CWC Code with Concept. In this video, I am going to teach you about an object and a class in programming language. So, what is an object? In real world scenario, an object can be anything which has some physical existence. So, this object can be seen with our naked eye. Example for an object in real world scenario are human, laptop, mobile. It can be a tree, it can be a bike, it can be anything which we can see. So what is an object in programming? In terms of object oriented programming, an object is a class that consisting of two parameters. So those are state, also considered as variable, behavior is considered as methods in a class. So what is state? State are the properties used to store some data. So, and also we have another definition for state. States are also considered as variables to store the value of an object. And examples for state are, here we have mobile having dimensions. So it can be weight, it can be color, it can be model of that specific mobile. So here mobile is considered as an object. So here laptop is also considered as an object which has states of name, model, processor, RAM size, and also human is considered as an object in programming language having state as name, height, weight, age. So we can add many parameters as a state for an object. So what is a behavior? These are the properties needed to perform a specific task. So these are considered as an action performed by an object. So behaviors are considered as methods or functions to perform a task done by the object. So here behaviors are nothing but methods or functions represented within a class. So the examples for behavior of an object are, so we have an object mobile performing, so these are the activities or else tasks performed by an object called mobile. So those are gaming, we can perform gaming, we can do a call, and also we can text with mobile and also calculation. And also we have a laptop of an object performing different tasks. So those tasks are editing, programming and streaming. So what is a class in object oriented programming? Class is a blueprint of an object and the object has states and behavior. So these states and behaviors are encapsulated within a class. So the class contains the states and behavior of an object programmatically. So let's see an example for class. So here we have a class with name mobile and also we have states. So here mobile model and mobile name, these are considered as states. As you can know, these are the global variables present within a class. And also we have behavior of an object. So the behavior of an object mobile is we can do calculation between two operators, and also we can perform gaming also in mobile. So the game name here is Ninja. So these are just an example methods for behavior, but this is not the actual case. There will be more programming involved within a method. So in practical session we will see how to create an object and store the states and how to execute the methods. So nothing but behavior in our practical session. So let's open Visual Studio. So open project. So I have created an object with states, mobile model and mobile name, and with some behavior, so which is done by the object mobile. So that is calculation and gaming. So let's create a main method here. So let's create how to create an object. So creating an object or creating an instance of class mon. So instance is nothing but object. So to create an object, we need to give class name here. So with the reference of mobile, so we have a keyword called new, which help us to create an object. So now the object is created. So let's store some values into the states of mobile model and mobile name. So now on the reference of object mobile dot mobile name. So I am going to give Poco. After mobile dot mobile model, I'm going to give xg file, some random string. So we need to know, so these values are stored into this object or not. So for that I'm going to print it by using console.writeLine. So reference variable mobile dot mobile name and console cw, shortcut for creating console writeline cw tab. So mobile dot mobile model. So let's perform. So let's see the output. So here you can see the values which are stored into the mobile name and mobile model are displayed here. So the values are stored into this object. So let's see the functionality or else behavior of an object. So on the reference of mobile dot, so we have calculation. So let's perform calculation between 2 and 3. So we are performing multiplication here, so the output will be 6. And the object is doing some gaming. So which is, I'm going to give the name of the game, Ninja Arashi. So let's see the behavior. So behavior is nothing but a method. So these methods are performing or not. So yeah. So as you can see, the calculation is done here. So the calculation is multiplication. So 2 into 3 is 6. And the object mobile is, so the object is performing a task, so which is gaming. So the game was Ninja Arashi. So this is the output for this object. So the states which are storing into this mobile object and the behavior or else methods or functions performing by the specific object. So this is the practical session for object and its implementation. So if you have any questions, please do comment. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.